mysterious hat.
There's nothing on this planet, Minnie.
But we still have to search, don't we? This is our final assignment.
Yeah, you're right, Minnie. I just hope we finish our assignment soon. What is this?
Oh, it must be some kind of old rock.
It doesn't look like a rock to me. There, it's a wooden box.
A hat.
I think there's something hidden on this planet that we're not able to see.
Agreed. We should definitely keep searching.
That hat would look perfect on Neşe, don't you think?
No, hold on, Manny. We should examine the hat first. How it ended up here. How it was manufactured.
Minnie, please don't do that. It's just a plain old hat. Someone from the pink planet might have come here to search around like we are and left it by mistake.
So be it, I suppose. Put the medallion on your neck and let the colors fill the world around you. With the power of the pink planet, sparkle now becomes the word. Don't worry, Yumak. I didn't forget about the promise I made to Zuzu. But I want to train with the medallion a little bit and get more accustomed to it. I'll be back in a second. Commence beam power! It's way too hard to control! Right here, its level can be calibrated. What if I press these two buttons together at the same time? Oh, I think that was a big mistake!
Neşe! Yumak, where's my sister? So she flew up into the sky with the medallion again. But Zuzu is waiting for us. Did she forget that? Neşe!
I need to stop this thing! That's not good! Where on earth did this come from? Oh, it's Minnie and Manny. You shouldn't try any new things before you check with the user's manual. I guess you're right, Minnie. I'll keep this little booklet by my side forever.
Nishi, look what we got for you.
Oh, wow. It's a hat. We found it on the planet where we were researching. We thought that it would look great on you.
It sure is lovely, right?
It does look interesting. Thank you, guys. That means a lot. I need to return home. I made a promise to Zuzu. See you later, Neşe.
Don't forget to put your hat on when you meet Zuzu, okay?
Don't worry, Manny. I won't forget to do that. Call us, okay? I want to know how that's going to look on you. You'll be my first call. So long, guys.
Sister! Sister!
Here I am.
What took you so long? We're almost late. Zuzu's waiting for us.
I'll go get ready and come back shortly. Don't worry, Mutlu. We'll totally be there on time. But this hat is a little too big. Maybe I shouldn't put it on.
Neşe!
Okay, I'll be right down.
Chug, 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 chug. Chug, 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 chug.
Come on, why don't we play Wheels on the Bus?
Oh, the wheels wheels on the bus go round and round. I really love this game.
Let's hold hands, you guys. Neshi, why don't you put that hat on your head?
Oh, I will, Zuzu. Let's call Minnie and Manny too. The hat is their present. They want to see how it looks on me. Hello there, everyone.
Hello, Minnie.
I brought the hat with me like you wanted me to. And I called you so you could see when I put it on. Let's see if you like it on me. So,
Neshi?
what is going on there?
Yeah, why did the medallion fall on the ground?
My sister is gone. She suddenly vanished.
How's that possible?
She vanished as soon as she put the hat on.
I knew there was something mysterious about that hat. Huh? Where am I? How did I get here? Is anyone out there? Help me! My medallion's not with me either. What am I supposed to do now? This all happened because of that mysterious hat that I put on. I put it on and it took me straight over here. Well, if I put it on again, maybe I can go back. What is going on? The ground is slippery. This is a very odd place. Cacti are moving on their own? I doubt that this is somewhere in our world. I must be on a different planet then. What am I supposed to do now?
So she's not on Earth, not on the moon, and not on the pink planet. She's nowhere.
I think we should go back to that mysterious planet and take a look around. I mean, we found the hat there.
Yeah, you're right, Minnie. There must be something out there we're missing.
I'm gonna get out of here. Come on, almost there. I need to take the hat. Got it. You creepy old cacti. I'm very sorry, but I've gotta go. I'm doing really good. I'm closer to Earth now.
I see movement on the moon.
You think it's Neşe?
Uh-huh, that's her.
We found Neşe!
She's vanished again. So what do we do now?
Oh, Neşe, no! Where could I possibly be? Not on Earth, that's for sure. Hey, that's my hat. Hands off. Will you please give it back? Stop! Yo! So you want to play, huh? Is that what this is? I am sorry, Flower, but this hat is mine. Wherever I go, I find naughty flowers everywhere. Sometimes I just wish I could go to the pink planet with the candy trees. Huh? How did this happen? I arrived exactly where I asked to be. Well, looky there. So this is what this hat does.
Neşe's on the pink planet.
So the hat took her there. We should go to the pink planet. She's probably waiting for us to rescue her. We better get a move on it.
Look, she vanished again.
But how did that happen?
Wait a minute, she's on Mars now. And now she's gone. Nope, got her. She's on Jupiter now.
She's wandering every planet out there.
Maybe the hat possessed her and isn't letting her go. She's dragging her to every planet.
What are we waiting for? Let's go!
She's now on Saturn. And now Uranus, but she vanished again.
Oh, who knows where she might appear? Neşe?
This hat sure is awesome.
I'm terribly sorry, Neşe. I shouldn't have given it to you before we examined it thoroughly.
We searched for you everywhere. We freaked out.
At first I freaked out too, but now I'm here.
I can take the hat back if you want, Neşe. This is a very dangerous and unpredictable hat.
Guys, relax. It's not a problem. I figured it out. I don't know how it happens, but when I put it on, I travel to anywhere I want.
Like I guessed it did. There is something mysterious about the planet where we found that hat. That is no ordinary planet, believe me.
A civilization with an advanced technology must have existed there. They even figured out how to beam places.
And with a hat, no less.
Have a nice exploring day out here, guys. I am going back to Earth.
The hat?
I honestly never had such a beautiful hat before, Manny. Thank you so much. Now, so long.
Don't worry, Mutlu. Your sister will be here soon. Minnie and Manny will surely find her, okay?
What is it, Yumok?
Neshi!
Where have you been this whole time?
It feels like I've been everywhere. Really, it was just a short trip around some planets.
Manny, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Manny, they came to see all new things. Every moment, every day life embraces us. Come now, come live with